Welcome to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast, a production of Goldman Equipment. We are your local John Deere dealer here in central and northern Louisiana. Give us a call or come by one of our 12 locations statewide and look us up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or on our website at www.goldmanequipment.com. Goldman Equipment, we're not just in your field, we're in your backyard. All right, Gary, how are you today, buddy?
Great, Rodney. How are you today?
Doing wonderful, doing wonderful. We're here on the Back 40 podcast, and we want to welcome you here with us today. We're coming to you from our corporate headquarters in West Monroe, Louisiana, and on a beautiful day. And you know what? It's getting that time of year, isn't it, Gary?
Absolutely. The sun is starting to shine. It actually quit raining. But the weeds are growing, the birds are chirping, and it's about time to hit our yards again.
Absolutely. And we're here today to talk about a very important part of some tasks that we have to do before we are ready to hit the yards and dealing with our equipment. And we want to talk about these preseason maintenance kits, home maintenance kits that we sell at our locations around the state. And we're going to tell you a little bit about them. One thing I like about them is the fact that they are customized to specific models of equipment. All of the parts in there will fit your machine exactly, and you don't have to worry about parts that you got to mix and match. Plus, they're extremely high quality parts. Gary, why don't you tell us a little bit about what we can find inside these home maintenance kits?
Rodney, it starts off with the highest grade quality performance oil that comes in any kit on today's market. This is the lifeblood of a lawnmower engine, is the oil. That oil is good for 200 hours of operating hours within your lawnmower. A lot of folks won't run a lawnmower up to 200 hours, so it's good for one season.
Absolutely.
However, come along with the oil, you must have a good oil filter. You want to talk to us a little bit about the oil filter?
Absolutely. This oil filter here, again, is made in the USA, as is several of these parts in here. And that's one thing I like, Gary, made right here in America. And one thing we want to mention about these filters, I don't know if you've put these on before or not, but if you haven't, one thing you want to make sure, before you put it on, get a little oil, put a little oil around this rubber seal on your filter. So whenever you're putting it on, you torque it down. You want a real good seal, and that little film of oil helps it to seal real good against the housing, Gary, and prevent leaks.
The next thing that comes in the kit is the air filter, which is very, very critical for the long life of your engine. With this filter, also made in the USA, this is made for a Kawasaki engine, but the best practice is before you put this filter on your lawnmower, you take air and blow around the old filter, trying to keep the trash outside the engine before you install this new filter. Now, this third element around your filter, a lot of folks takes that off after 30 or 40 hours. You know, the best way to clean these is either blow them out with compressed air or wash them with hot water. And then blow them out with air. Make sure they're fully dry before you stick it back on your filter. If not, dust will collect quickly on the third element, which allows your engine to run rich because it's not getting enough air down within your engine. Also comes in the kit is the spark plug, NGK high performance spark plugs. Even though these spark plugs are set from the manufacturer, it's always good to make sure you check the gap on your spark plug at 32 to 35 thousandths gap. This will allow your lawnmower engine to combust correctly, thus not having all the oil deposits on top of your piston. The last thing is the gas filter, the most overlooked thing that there is whenever you're pulling maintenance on your lawnmower. This is critical to replace every year. Because every time you open a lawnmower gas can, or even open a lawnmower to put gas in it, you're going to get some kind of trash down in it. So always replace the filter. This will help you to have less headaches throughout the year. And but it's absolutely critical that you change that.
Or if you're like me, you just grab the can and throw it in the back of the truck. Don't put the top on it. Run to the gas station, put some gas in it, and run back home, sloshing gas everywhere.
That's it. That's the Southern way.
Because you're ready to get it. You're ready to get on it.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I think that's everything in the kit, and all of this is included in there. And again, you can buy these at any of our locations around the state, any Goldman locations around the state. And we're here for you as you start your spring endeavors. We just want to say thank you for your business, and we want to say that we're here for you. Give us a call. Come by our location anytime. You can also find us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram. And also, you can find us on the web, of course, at www.goldmanequipment.com. One more thing, Gary, how much are these kits?
There's $48 out of all of our locations starting March 1st throughout the whole month of March. So come and see us, and let's mow safely all year long.
All right. Thank you so much again for your business, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Goldman's Back 40 podcast.
Thank you.